I think one of the first things you learn in game design is how it differs from the rest of, I guess, the game development ecosystem, like game programming and game art. A lot of people learn or realize that it's not really about the graphics, it's not really about the way it looks, it's not about the characters, it's not about the story, it's not even really about the technology, but it's about the rules and the systems that you set up. So we like to start off by teaching board game design. So they're really focused on what the rules are, what you can do, what the items are, how they interact with each other.
In first year game design, with what I teach, I mostly take people through fundamentals. So I teach people how to think like a designer and actually think about like what they're making and who they're making it for, rather than just going ahead, charging ahead and making something. Because that's not really design, that's just shooting from the hip. And you can't just shoot from the hip as an indie forever either, because you actually have to bring things to market. So yeah, my job is about helping people understand how to actually design to a target market and a target spec, and really have a clear idea about what you're trying to make. You actually learn by doing the same thing ongoing, and I think that's a really good part of our course, how that works. Yeah.
The best thing is coming in and then 2 years later exiting a course with the ability and the drive to be able to think of, oh, I want to make this, and have the means and the understanding to do it.